Modern cars are becoming a gadget more than a car, loaded with lots of comfort features to ease the handling of the car. One among them is the start-stop button, which is becoming an essential feature in almost every car. Apart from its convenience, it also enhances the vehicle's safety and security. This following case helps us understand better where a Tata Altroz used as a test ride model was stolen in a showroom in Ujjain, a city in Madhya Pradesh. On the particular day, two robbers entered a Tata Motors showroom like potential buyers asking to test drive the Altroz hatchback. While test driving, a sales executive was also on board. After driving for a while, the driver pretended that there was a problem with the car and asked the sales executive to get down and check the same. When the executive got out of the car, suddenly the two thieves inside drove away stealing the car. However, the robbers didn't realize that the key fob remained with the sales executive. Now the passive keyless entry feature comes to rescue. This feature doesn't require a physical key to enter or start the car, which is taken care by the sensors in the driver's side door handle, and the ignition is done by a push button start. But this needs a constant contact from key fob to sensor by placing the key fob within the car's surrounding. After driving some distance, both robbers got out of the car, and when they tried to get back in, the doors were locked. Car doors with keyless entry features locks automatically after staying idle for a while. Meanwhile, the sales executive reported this incident to the showroom and a complaint was lodged at a nearby police station. A few hours later, on the basis of someone's information, the car was found parked somewhere else. This incident somehow looks hilarious but also helps us understanding how a small convenient feature turns out to be a safety feature of the car. Have you ever witnessed or experienced a similar situation? Share yours in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.